Hey guys, so some of you might be wondering how you can sync Google Tasks with Google Calendar. So as you can see here in my Google Calendar, I have here some tasks, and if I go here to the Google Task website, you can see that my tasks in Google Calendar actually appears here in my Google Tasks because it's actually synced in together. So basically, you have to make sure that you are using the same Google account for your Google Calendar and for your Google Tasks. If you go here to Google Calendar, over here at the right sidebar, you will see this check mark button, and then if you click on it, you will access the tasks. So if I click on add a task and then I set the date, it will automatically appear here in my Google Calendar, which is this one. So I'm just going to drag it down so we can see it better. That's it. So the task automatically syncs in with your Google Calendar. Even if, let's say you're here in Gmail, if I click on add to tasks and then I set the date, you will see that it automatically syncs in your Google Calendar. So that's just technically the logic there. You just have to make sure that you're using the same Google account with your Google Calendar and your Google Tasks. So that's it. Thanks for watching.